working on a digital forensics case with an SLV snapshot file. These are critical evidence files from the Sleuth Kit Forensic Toolkit. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through analyzing these Sleuth Kit forensic snapshot files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for SLV files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. A user encountering an .slv file is working with a snapshot from the Sleuth Kit or Autopsy, a digital forensics platform. Their intent is to load the specific state of a virtual machine analysis to resume an investigation, review evidence, or examine the file system at a particular point in time. The .slv file is a binary data file designed to capture the complete state of a virtual machine analysis session. It stores pointers to the disk image, memory state, and user-generated tags or notes, allowing an investigator to pause and resume complex forensic work without losing context or progress. The operating system preferentially attempts to open SLV using Autopsy / the Sleuth Kit from Brian Carrier. This file type demands a dedicated, niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows may display simple metadata, but full interpretation depends on relevant applications. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the SLV file and click Open With. Test Autopsy, the Sleuth Kit, if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your SLV file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the SLV file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, opening with Autopsy. Launch Autopsy. The graphical interface for the Sleuth Kit and create or open a case. Use the import function to load the SLV snapshot file into your forensic case. Autopsy displays file system contents timelines and analysis results with full search filtering and reporting capabilities for investigation. Next, using Sleuth Kit commands. Use the Sleuth Kit command line tools like FLS-ILS and MMLS to analyze SLV files directly. These utilities extract file system information from forensic snapshots and produce text output for scripted analysis workflows. Combine multiple commands for comprehensive forensic examination of evidence files. Finally, generating reports. After analyzing SLV files in Autopsy, generate forensic reports in HTML, PDF, or Excel formats for case documentation. Use the report generator with appropriate templates for legal proceedings, expert witness testimony, or internal incident reports preserving findings and chain of custody information. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.